The Push 3 is supposed to be a mouse killer, an instrument designed to take the producer away from the screen, bring the soul back into the music. But I've spent 10 years mastering this thing. I know if I sat down and just focused in with a mouse, I can walk away with an idea most days. And that's kind of my comfort zone. But today, 1 hour, blank session, kinda. Hopefully no mouse clicks, and no safety net. It's the vibe versus the habit, man versus machine. The 1 hour starts now. Let's get started. I already had a melody in mind. Like, I know I could just go straight through, right? Right. Go like that. Don't need that note. Don't need that. And double loop. Yeah, okay, awesome. So this just doubles it in length. Now I was trying to figure out how to change the loop function in Ableton, but I can't do that. And like, I see that there's a loop here. Like, I'm sure this is for a clip, right? Like if you did this in the other view, the session view. So yeah, I'm gonna go over here to the mouse and set the new loop.
Biometric signature confirmed. Welcome back, engineer. System diagnostics indicate a significant lag in your loop bracketing sequence.
I'm not lagging, Ava. I'm just feeling it out. I even forgot you were installed. Just don't need your help.
Understood. I have optimized the loop regardless. Efficiency is up 30%.
I had it. I was just, never mind. Just stay on standby. Now in the session, I have a few things set up, but I'm going to go through and try to make them from scratch. So let me think. If I go back. Right, okay, so this is the drum set that I had, but what I want to do is go in here. I don't know what that did. What does that do? Have this. So under instruments, yeah, drum rack. Okay. Where are my samples folders? Okay, I love this thing. There's just so many options in here. All right. See, I have so many samples I could run through this for days. Probably why I need... Okay, wait, here we go. So I want this sound pack right here. Put it in here specifically for this reason. I like this drum kit. Yeah, so let's start with that now. Okay, I do know this. If you go like this, go like that, change color, right. So if I go to here and just get a snare. Let's do that. Awesome. Sure, we'll get some perk. That's kind of cool. Let's put that right. Oh, what happened? Yeah, nice. So, if only I knew how to copy and paste, that'd be nice. Let's play back what we got. Oh, okay, so on the screen now, it's all...
Timeline desync detected. You're stuck in session view, engineer. I have engaged the back to arrangement protocol. Signal path is now synchronized.
I see it, Ava. You don't have to jump in every time there's a 2-second silence. Thanks.
Organic is just another word for unoptimized. Standing by.
Standing by. Good. Stay there. Okay. Sure, let's start with that. Okay, let's keep going. Trying to grab this clip at this point. Oh, so aggravating. How in the world do I grab that? Oh, clip. Oh, what the heck? All right. Wait, I see it here. Okay, so this is like a sequencer then. I think I can work with that. Next thing. I can do 808. So I'll take that. Here's the thing though. Don't understand. Like, I just recorded that, right? So why can't... Oh, wait. There's the clips for the drums. Okay, now that I'm here at the drums, wait, let me see if I can... Ooh, nice. I don't understand why I'm able to see it now. What did I do different? Like, honestly, I don't even need this. Like, I love that I have this now. So I'm at the point where I have no clue why I'm able to see this clip now. after I recorded in 808, but I can't see the 808 clip that I want to play back. So like I want to line that up to the drums. And sure, I could go in with the mouse and do it, but I want to use this dang thing. Guess I'll keep trying. But this is like the process of learning this thing, so I got to figure it out. So there's nothing in this view there, so I know the clip is not there, and like you don't need to have a clip here for the other thing to work. So aggravating right now. Bro, I don't understand why.
Target found. I have retrieved the MIDI clip for you. Stop searching. Start editing.
Yeah, thanks. I was just getting to that. Congratulations. You're real fast. I really wanted to do this all on the push, but we only have 10 minutes left. The 808 and the drums, they're just kind of messed up right now. The push gave us the soul, but we really need to polish things. Ava, let's finish the build.
Relinquishing creative control. Shifting to precision mode. Initiating protocol. Final mix. Total system control. Engaged.
Let's show them how we do it. Did the push 3 kill the mouse? Honestly, that wasn't even the point. The push 3, it's a true instrument. It forced me to stop looking at the screen and start feeling the melody. It gave this track a soul I would have never done by just using a mouse and like clicking it in through the piano roll. But after 10 years of engineering, the mouse isn't the habit, it's the operating system, and I still gotta learn this one. The push is where the vibe's born, and the mouse is where the engineer takes over. If you wanna break your screen addiction, this thing's the answer. But don't be surprised if your old friend tries to talk its way back into the mix.
Same time tomorrow, engineer.
Sure, Ava.